what we see happening around companion experiences, where you have in the living room a TV-oriented experience through the gaming console, but you extend that by using another device, a mobile phone, as a companion to really complete that scenario, to be able to use it in places other than in the living room. So next up, Aaron and Rob are going to show what the Kinectimals team has been doing around creating companion experiences to extend the Kinectimals game.
Well, hi everyone. So last year, as part of the Kinect launch, we launched Kinectimals, and since then it's gone on to become the best-selling family game on Xbox 360. So when the team was asked, what more do you want to do with Kinectimals, we knew the no-brainer was to be able to take your Kinectimal in your pocket with you wherever you go. But our audience can be pretty young. Sometimes they're as young as 5 years old, and sometimes this may be the first game they've ever played. So we had to find a solution which was going to be easy for them to use as they upload data and download data from the 360 to the new Kinectimals mobile game. So let's show you how we made it work. Over here I've got Kinectimals mobile on the cell. As you can see here, we've added a new option. It's called Connectivity. All I need to do is click here and go transfer from Xbox 360. Thanks to Mango, it's actually going to bring up the cell phone in the app. And then we wanted to use a simple metaphor, because everyone knows how to take a photo. Even if you don't know much about data transfer, or this is the first time you've really done something like this before, everyone knows how to take a photo, so it should be really simple. Meanwhile, on the 360, we've got to generate some data for the camera to capture. So we're going to head over to the scan stone, and we've added a new feature called Mobile Sync. Once we go to Mobile Sync, our partners at Frontier found a really great open source solution for us called QR tags. You can see it's really big, really kid-friendly, and down below we've got a text string, so you can enter it manually if you prefer. All I'm going to do is take a photo, and then as we head back over here, you'll see that I just need to click accept, and it's going to transfer the Kinectimal, our favorite pet, over onto the cell phone version. As it's loading, you're going to see that the backgrounds in this game, the fur rendering, and the actual animations in the game look really fantastic. That's all powered by XNA. We wanted to give you a really consistent experience from the 360 and on the phone as well. So XNA has been a great partner for getting those trademark play dead animations and rollover animations looking really sharp. But we wanted to do a little bit more as well. We wanted to make sure that we were using the cell phone camera and the interesting functionality in really cool ways. So we've added a new feature called Camera, and we're going to do some augmented reality Kinectimal style. Here we go. Once again, Mango lets us open the camera in-app. Thank you, Erin. She's going to be thrilled with this one. Okay, here we go. We're just going to click accept, and then with the power of augmented reality and Kinectimals, we can turn Erin into a crazy cat lady. So here we go. We can scale it up and down. It's really simple. There's a ton of different animations you can use. So there's a lot of play for people to have creativity and for them to just explore the different photos they can create. Once we've created the photo, that's going to save it to the phone. So then it's up to the user what they want to do with it. They can email it forward, they can SMS it, or they can upload it to Facebook. Meanwhile, what's the most important thing? Getting it back onto the Xbox. So we'll put away the camera, and before we do that, let's change things out a little bit. We're going to change our carb. I'm going to pick Bubbles, my favorite Black Panther. Oops. Just head back to the game quickly. We're going to transfer across 4 key data points. So we're going to transfer the cub, we're going to transfer the level that the player was in, and we're going to transfer some customization options as well. In this case, it's going to be the collar and the pendant that we're putting on the character. So once we're back in, we'll choose our cub once more, Black Panther, and we've got a variety of different customization toys that you unlock through the course of the game. So it's really important that whether you've been on the school bus or if you're getting off an aeroplane or maybe you're just bored in bug triage, everything is consistent when you come back to the main game. Here we go, and Black Panther. We'll go over to the collar, give him a metal chain, and over here we've got our pendants. Let's do the rubber ducky. Okay, so once again, let's just go to connectivity. As you can see, once we go transfer to Xbox 360, it's generated a QR tag again. That's really important to us, that we only have to teach our players one rule set, because they're pretty young, so we want to make sure everything's consistent. All I do is head back over to the 360, and once I use the scan stone, we're going to see that our Black Panther has been successfully transferred in the game. He's got his customizations options on him, and he's looking great. So that's how we're doing connectivity, Kinectimal style, and we're really looking forward to seeing what you guys can do. Have a great show.
Great job, Robin Air.